Good evening, one and all. Myself, Nithya. I am currently pursuing my engineering in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today, let us discuss about the pointer aliasing. Let us see the contents. Now, we are discussing about the introduction of embedded system, characteristics, next advantages and disadvantages. Next pointer alias, memory aliasing in microcontroller, advantages of pointer aliasing, next disadvantages of pointer aliasing. Let us discuss about the embedded system. Embedded system is mainly composed of hardware and the software. It is designed for a specific function. For example, a fire alarm is a embedded system. It will sense only a smoke. It has hardware, it has application software. It has both the hardware and the software. So it is known as the embedded system. Fire alarm which helps during the fire accidents. Next, the purpose of embedded system is to control a specific function within a device. Some examples of embedded systems are central heating systems, GPS systems, fitness tracking, then medical devices. Medical devices. Okay. Here GPS systems which helps for tracking, fitness trackers nowadays using in the smartwatches, next ATMs and factory robots which is composed of both hardware and the software. Next, let us discuss about the advantages of embedded system. Simple to deliver, higher creation, less cost for per bit of resultant. It doesn't have many interconnections. It has better study and higher speed. It has higher dependable. Versatile. It is versatile because of little in size. It has low force utilization and better exactness in overcome. To upgrade hazards, for example, memory and chip. It assists with developing item quality. It can bear a wide assortment of climate. Less inclined to reprise mistakes. To deliver content reaction. It has no UI and lesser repetition. No much information stock billing. To run pre-arranged program for client application. Let us see now disadvantages. Subsequent to create installed framework. You can't make any alteration, improvement or updegree. Hard to keep up, hard to take a backup of implanted documents. Means here in embedded system, once the file is deleted, we can't back up, we can't take it back, and even we can't alter. The we can see in the first point, you can't make any alteration, improvement or upgrade. We can't alter the file, even we deleted file we can't back up. You need to reset all settings due to happen any issues in the framework. If any issues occurs in the framework, we have to reset all the settings. It is also one kind of disadvantage. Next, investigation is harder to move information from one framework to another framework. Harder to move the information from one framework to another framework. Constraints for equipment because of make it for explicit undertaking. Less force supply, sturdiness. Next, restricted access for memory to require higher improvement and endeavors for planning and install framework. Need to long an ideal opportunity to advertise. Next, let us see about the pointer. Pointer or symbolic representation of address. They enable program to simulate call by reference as well as to create manipulate dynamic data. Next, syntax. Data type, variable name. Here star represent a pointer. Int star ptr. Ptr means pointer. Int pointer. Alias. Aliasing refers to situation where different expressions or symbols refers to same object. References access the object in different ways as both reads and stores. These are consequences for the order in which these mixed access can happen. Next, pointer aliasing. If a function has two pointers PA and PP with the same value, we say the pointer alias each other. Pointer alias is a hidden kind of data dependency that can occur in C, C++ or any other languages that uses pointers for array addresses in arithmetic operations. Two seemingly different pointers may point to storage locations in the same array. As a result, data dependencies can arise when performing loop based computations using pointers, as the pointers may potentially point to overlapping region in memory. Function, let us see the function for pointers. Void compute double a, yeah, double pointer a, double pointer b, double pointer c. Here for loop we are using for loop to, here we are assigning I value as 1, I is equals to 1, where I should be less than n is a natural numbers, then I plus plus, I plus plus is incrementing the I value. Here, A of I is equals to P of I plus C of I. Next, memory aliasing in the microcontroller. It is closely related to pointer aliasing, means that more than one variable name points to the same underlying stored value. It is closely related to pointer aliasing, means that more than one variable name pointed to the same underlying stored value. Compiler decides when to refetch memory contents. This has various effects on performance and collections. This is the program. C program to illustrate aliasing. First includes stdio.h. Next, function to change the value of ptr1 and ptr2, pointer 1 and pointer 2. In FOO, int ptr1 and int ptr2. Here we are assigning pointer 1 value as 10 and the pointer 2 value as 11. Now we will return the pointer 1. Next we will go for try code. Int main, int data 1 is equals to 10. Here assigning for data 1 value as 10, for data 2 value as 20. Next we will call the function call int result is equals to FOO and data 1 and data 2. Next print result, printf %d result, return 0. This is the function and the output will be a 10. Next, avoiding pointer aliasing. Do not rely on the compiler to eliminate common sub-expressions involving memory access. Instead, create new local variable to hold the expression. This ensures expression in evaluate only once. Avoid taking the address of local variables. The variable may be ineffective to access from them on. If compiler can't assume two things not aliased, it must often fetch the values more often. Next, examples of aliasing can be observed in Western movies. By watching the motion of stagecoach wheels. As the stagecoach starts to move, we observe its wheels rotating in the expected forward direction. As the stagecoach speed speeds up, we see that the wheels appear to rotate in the opposite direction to the initial one. Next, advantages and disadvantages. Aliasing also convey valuable information on the single above the Nyquist frequency. The Nyquist theorem states that a periodic signal must be sampled at more than twice the highest frequency components of the signal. Disadvantage. The disadvantages is mainly that you need higher speed digital circuits to execute. It is not possible to eliminate alias digitally after sampling. This is about the pointer aliasing and embedded system. Thank you.